magkaibiga ang lahat sa eskwela, nagsama-samang 12 sa kalokohan at sa tuksuhan, hindi maawat sa isa't isa. Madalas ang standby sa cafeteria, isang barkada na kay saya, laging may hawak-hawak na gitara, konting udyok lamang kakanta na. Kay simple lamang ng buhay nun, walang mabibigat na suliranin, problema lamang lagi kulang ang gatong. Sana napunta ang panahon? Sana nga ba? Sana nga ba? Sana napunta ang panahon? Sana nga ba? Sana nga ba? Sana napunta ang panahon?
Sa unang ligaw kayo'y magkasama, magkasabwat sa pambobola, walang sikreto kayong tinatago, o kay sarap ng samahang barkada. Nagkawatakan na sa koleyo, kanya-kanya na ang lakaran, kahit minsanan na lang kung magkita, pagkakaibigay hindi nawala. At kung saan na napadpad ang ilan, sa dating eskwela meron din naiwan, meron pang ang mga ilang nawala na lang, nakakamiss ang dating samahan.
Sana nga ba? Sana nga ba? Sana nga bang barkada ngayon? Sana nga ba? Sana nga ba? Sana nga bang barkada ngayon?
Bawat isa sa amin tatay na nagsusumikap upang yumaman at guminhawang kinabukasan. Paminsan-minsan kami nagkikita, mga naiwan at natira, at gaya nung araw namin sa eskwela, pag magkasama ay nagwawala. Napakahirap malimutan ang saya ng aming samahan, kahit lumipas na ang ilang taon, magkabarkada pa rin ngayon.
Magkaibigan, magkaibigan, magkaibigan pa rin ngayon. Magkaibigan, magkaibigan, magkabarkada pa rin ngayon. Magkaibigan, magkaibigan, magkaibigan pa rin ngayon. Magkaibigan, magkaibigan, magkabarkada pa rin ngayon. Magkaibigan, magkaibigan, magkaibigan pa rin ngayon.
So, si Gaga is here because ilang guys collecting here. So, how can you understand why we are group here? Oh, so you answer right. Okay. From government employees. Yes, good on it, good. Kanang mo inom nga tao is very right. Oh, yes. If the lady, well, take shot. That is high in one. No.
Problem.
cannot understand.
I can understand, but I cannot speak.
Ayaw.
Nos, in English na, Nos.
Buang mo sura sa...
Uloki.
Oloki.
Alaki.
Gaga, baguhan
Yay,
dito ga.
yay.
Ga, baguhan dito sa mo.
It's true.
Yeah, that is
Pero mo kasabay mo na nila.
true orange. That is
We have
orange.
all of you here because of Angelo Temtem.
Not right.
So, why
Why
what
that's
is
the
you?
Ang is para sa cooks.
How can you
How can you
explain
say
to
the book
Angelo
right?
Temtem why you are here?
Because you're here.
What?
What?
Oh, one by one.
I will not repeat anymore.
You first. You.
I know. I'm not
Explain.
first. I'm
Explain why
second.
you are here because of Angelo.
Because you're there.
No.
No.
Angelo.
Yes. Because we love Angelo and you
Yes,
also.
yes.
And all of you.
Oh, nakabidyo ta ha?
No,
Ikaw ga.
be the killer.
Ikaw ga, Alex. Ang gaga. No,
No English. No
Ikaw
English.
ga. Si Angelo ra ang nakakuha sa imo.
Oy, in English.
Oh.
Collecting.
Only Angelo Temtem
Collecting you.
give you
I'll give you.
when all of them a conspiracy. Kaya ba mga kikis? What is kikis in English? Conspiracy.
Brad, imo na perdamay bro.
You are the one, the driver. Except you. That thing, bring Angelo to get Gaga. It's the comparison.
Tarong nga gawin kayo, masumbong ka kang Inday.
So.
Ako na din. So.
Hit me. But, you're welcome with Angelo Temtem. You know what? You know. If you say,
my mind.
alas 2:15, that is Dennis moves. Dennis, bilhin mo ito. Kanang.
English aja.
Why? Because add 15 minutes for make up. Yes. Why say Erlab is slow?
No.
Why Erlab is slow? So that is good. I will tell Angelo na you go to Gaga. What about 24 hour in hour?
24/7
24/7
and 11/7
and
or 7/11.
alas 2:15.
Rumble. Naglibo kay Rosa. 11/7.
That is why.
That is why.
I will understand it. What?
Kabibo sa diya.
I will nahuli sila.
Holy? What do you mean by holy?
Because
What is holy in English? Holy in English?
I'll ask about the hour. So the people will send to Gaga is about 2 o'clock. But you know, I will tell them no 2 o'clock, 2:15 minutes because of the
Make up.
I didn't know, make up. Yes. If you go to 2 o'clock early, Gaga is never come here.
Because he
Mahal ang talent nila yun. Mayari na ninyo. Kakapoy sa na.
Yeah, ayan.
Mahal ang talent nila.
Ano man? Wait,
Very
speak
good.
English.
Very good.
Say, why you say very good?
Very happy. Very happy. Very...
Because you're good.
No. That is not happy. If I sing it in English, okay. You say very good.
If she is very good, you clap your hands.
No.
If we're happy and you know you clap your hands.
But I know I'm happy. No need. Because I'm happy because you are here.
O yan na, kay mga ano punta.
That is why I'm happy.
Twinkled and shone, soon you'll be gone. Sailing out on the blue, your old man you, drifting along, leaving me here, thinking it through. Soon you'll be gone. Moving through my changes as fast as I can, trying to bring to balance to me and the man. And part of me is screaming to say, I wanna be carried away. Moving through my changes as fast as I can, trying to bring to balance